Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Hasifa Putri Maharani, Class Management 22A, NPM 224111031. In this video is want to tell you about capital budgeting material. First, meaning of capital budgeting. Capital budgeting is a financial process that business use to evaluate and prospect potential long-run investment or project. It involves determining which project or expenditures are worth pursuing and allocation financial resources them based on their potential for generating future cash flow and returns. Next, component of capital budgeting. Key component of capital budgeting typical include: number 1, identify invest opportunities. Is the business must first identify potential investment opportunities, such as acquiring new asset, expanding operation, launching new product, or upgrading existing facilities. Next, opportunities. Estimating cash flow. Companies need to estimate the future factors in inflow and outflow associated with X investment project. This cash flow might include revenues, expense, capital, costs, and other relevant financial factors. Number 3, assessing risks. Evaluating the risks associated with an investment is crucial. This includes considering factors like market conditions, competition, regulatory change, and economic uncertainties. Next, evaluating investment criteria. Various criteria and methods are used to assess the attractiveness of investment project, include net present value, internal rate of return, payback period, and profitability index. These metrics help determine which project are financially viable. Next, ranking and selection. After analyzing the investment opportunities and their associated financial metrics, companies rank and prioritize projects with high or other favorable criteria are typically given priority. Last, the decision making. Once the project are ranked, management can make informed decisions about which investment to approve and fund based on the company financial goals, risk tolerance, and available capital. Next, objective of capital budgeting. Here, primary objective of capital budgeting aims follow. Number 1, maximizing shareholder wealth. This is the fundamental objective of capital budgeting is to maximize the wealth of the shareholder by selecting investment projects that generate positive net present value and increase the value of the firm. Companies aim at benefiting shareholders. Next, allocation of resources. Capital budgeting helps in the efficient allocation of a company's financial resources and ensures the capital is invested in projects that offer the best potential for generating returns, thereby avoiding wasteful or unproductive investment. Next, risk management. Capital budgeting involves assessing and managing the risks associated with various investment projects. Companies project consider the risk return, trade-off, and cost projects that align with their risk tolerance and strategic objective. Next, long-term planning. Capital budgeting facilitates the long-term strategic planning. It helps companies identify and prioritize projects that align with their strategic goals and vision, ensuring that they make sound investment decisions for the future. Next, number 5, growth and expansion. Companies often use capital budgeting in identify opportunities for growth and expansion by investing in new projects, expanding existing operations, or entering new markets. Business can increase their market share and profitability. Number 6, next, and setting competitive competitive position. Selecting the right capital project can help a company gain a competitive advantage in the market. Investing in innovative technology, cost-saving initiatives, and quality improvement can drive a company position within an industry. Next, meeting regulatory and environmental requirements. It is the company's mandate to invest to projects to comply with government regulation, environmental standard of safety requirements. Capital budgeting ensures that the mandatory investment are made efficient and effectively. Next, benefit of capital budgeting. There are several benefits of capital budgeting. Number 1, resource allocation. Capital budgeting helps organizing allocation their limited resources, or such as fund, time, and labor, to the most promising and valuable investment project. This ensures that resource and used efficiency and effectively. Number 2, strategic alignment. Capital budgeting allows organizations to align their investment decision with their long-term strategic goals. It helps in prioritizing projects that support the company mission and objective. Number 3, risk management. Through the evaluation of potential risks and uncertainties associated with investment project, capital budgeting enables organizations to make informed decisions and develop risk mitigation strategies. Number 4, financial performance improvement. Effective capital budgeting can lead to improved financial performance by selecting projects that are expected to generate positive cash flow and add value to the organization. It can also enhance profitability, revenue growth, and return in investment. Next, competitive advantage. Making well-informed capital budgeting decisions can profit a company advantage. Company that invest will in projects that yield high return or innovation solution and outperform their competitors. Long-term planning. Capital budgeting encourages a long-term perspective, allowing organizations to plan for the future and make investments that contribute to sustained growth and stability. Number 7, accountability. Capital budgeting promotes accountability and transparency in decision-making process. It provides a structured framework for evaluating and judging investment costs in stakeholders, including shareholders, creditors, and regulatory bodies. Thank you.